Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. It's Kay here, and I've got a little DT project using the Floral Grace designer digital kit from Scrimpingmommy, Amanda Charlesworth. The kit's readily available on Ko-fi at a very reasonable price. There are two parts to the kit. There's the main kit, which is your background papers and all of that kind of thing, and then there's an add-on which is tags and cut aparts and pockets and all the usual things you find in these lovely kits. But this is exceptional. I love the colours, I love the flowers, I love the little birds, and as you can see I've put my little bit of stickers on just to give it another little bit of glam. Not that it needs it, but it pleases me. This is the back of the little folder, and it's an envelope flip out folder. I was messing around with envelopes and desperately wanted to do something that wasn't a full-size journal, but I wanted to use these lovely papers that I'd printed out, so this is what I came up with. And all you need is some A4 good quality cardstock and three, I believe they're 5x5 envelopes. If I just open this up, yep, 5x5 square envelopes that you then form into this little booklet affair. So there is the inside page, as you can see. So you could add pictures to it, a little bit of writing, whatever you felt was appropriate. And then there's another of the background papers, and I've just fussy cut around the images and the little butterfly there, which is a double layered affair, and prettied that up a little bit more. Then you open up to the right, open up to the left, and there's a central spread of all the lovely tags and things that come within the kit. And all I've done is straightened up the edges of the envelope to give this pocket affair, lined each of the pockets. There's nothing new here, but it does make for a lovely little folder which you can then add to a pocket, send out as friend mail. You know, it's entirely up to you. You could put photographs in there, you could keep bills in there, whatever you chose to, having used up all the little bits here. There's a lovely little envelope which is ultimately usable. You can put a little card in there if you so desire and use that to send out. There's a lovely miniature file folder here. Again, you can put things into, and I've just cut out some of the wordage, memories, and a number there. And then there are these glorious tags. There are two sets of tags within the kit, but I quite like these short ones because they fit into these pockets very nicely, as you can see. And I've just oh, that one goes into the other side there, I've got to keep it right. Another of the tags here, which will go into that one because it's the pink and the pink. Another of the little file folders with documents and file on the other side. That's the third. Some of the pockets, I've put three things in, others there's only two. But clearly they will hold a nice amount of ephemera if that's what you wanted to store in them. Another of the pink flavoured little document folder there, and then that folds in, and on the outside is a larger pocket. I fussy cut one of the little bows here, put it on the edge of the pocket, which gives you room then to put little bits and pieces into. And then when you close it up, there's a plain sheet here of the background paper, which I think is absolutely delightful. So you could put something on there of your very own if you wanted to. and the back of the little coverlet for the flip flap folder. So there we are, a lovely little designer team project using Floral Grace, designed by Scrimpingommy. Thank you very much as always for joining me. It's been a pleasure bringing this little token DT styled project to you. Do go and check out the papers if you don't have them in your collection already. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. Thank you very much. Happy crafting, everyone. Bye bye for now. Shut up! Just be quiet.